Again, very good evening, everyone, and welcome to this and fun movement and fun and learn program. So, why I'm Harshali Kharche. I'm the managing director and the founder of Sneak Rehab Foundation. Now, you must be knowing Sneak, but those who don't know Sneak, we are based in Nagpur and working on various things. Uh, Here, actually, we are working on rehabilitation, empowerment, health advocacy, and belief. So, in this section, we are running various awareness program. Parents empowerment is our main motto. Then we are working on some financial things, advocacy, and community support in that mental health and physical health. So we are doing a lot of programs in that for parents and as well as kids. Now we have successfully completed our creative camp for kids, and now second camp is going on is tech fun, which is for 10 plus kids. That is for computer skills camp, and this is our third camp, that is fun and learn. So I will not take much of a time, but I would like to welcome Prachi Puranik for this camp, and she will be taking this whole camp, and this will be with you for this whole journey. And this camp is designed by Prachi Puranik for the kids. She is motor skills training coach by the Motor Skill Learning Academy from Switzerland, certified motor skill learning coach from Motor Skill, and successfully completed motor activity training program organized by Special Olympics Bharat, active participation in international course on child's active play and sports programs, that is CAPS, and she is also certified Manas Mitra to help special parents for psychological help as a first aid. So I welcome Prachi on this, and she is my very good friend. That is more important than this. So, and some more introduction, and I request her to start this.
I think Harshali,
Yeah.
will be more interested in the activities. I think enough of introduction. Maybe some people already know me, maybe through the fun activities that we did earlier. And for the new parents and for the new
Evening, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, everyone.
Hi.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Able to see all the
Hi.
Everyone, please put on the cameras. And let's say a big hi.
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 Yes.
Hi.
Wow.
Say hi.
Very nice.
Hi.
Everybody is excited?
Hi.
Hi. Say
Yeah, I think Karan is the most excited.
Hi.
Wow. Very good. Okay, so everybody has a.
Hi, Prachi,
Shall
ma'am.
we start?
Good evening.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Prachi.
So let's start with a simple thing. You know what? Everybody has water? Everybody has a glass of water or a bottle of water?
I don't have. I'll get it, Prachi. I'll get the water, Prachi.
Yeah, please. Okay. कौन सी language में comfortable है? Hindi or English? Even I know Marathi also, but whichever language is preferable, I can speak.
Mix. Hindi and English mix.
I have water.
Okay.
I have water bottle.
Yeah, Prachi, I got the water.
Just hold your bottle or your glass of water in your
I
hand.
got the
I
bottle of
have
water,
water
Prachi.
bottle.
Yes. So
Hello,
what
Prachi.
you
I
have to
got
do is,
the bottle of water.
yes, that's great, Devashish or Dev. Okay. So what you have to do is सिप बाय सिप थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी पीना है एंड उसको आपको मुंह में ना उसको फील करना है. ओके, सो आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू इट. पूरा पीना नहीं है, You can do it sip by sip. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा पानी को मुंह में लेके you have to just swirl it around your whole mouth so that the whole mouth can actually feel the water. ठीक है, water is the best energizer. So हम pace जो exercise है उसमें सबसे पहले we started with drinking water. ठीक है, so that's the in pace the E part is the energizer, that is water. So you first start with drinking water. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा और पानी पीते हैं. Yes. So are we ready to start? Okay. अभी सबसे पहले क्या करना है, आपका जो parents, the kids are going to need your help in this. See, the two bones near your, I can say the collarbone. यहाँ पे collarbone पे आपको आपके 2 fingers रखने हैं. You can use the thumb and the other 2 fingers. Okay. You can help the child if the child is very small. Maybe you can do it. Okay. अभी मैं खड़े होके I will show you how to do it. Yeah. दिख रहा है? तो आप बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपका लेफ्ट हैंड जो है, your left hand you have to put on your tummy or your navel. टमी पे रखना है. दूसरे हाथ को with your thumb and your with the other index and the middle finger you have to touch the collarbone. और यहाँ पे रख के आपको थोड़ा सा हल्का सा, ज्यादा नहीं, जोर से, एकदम हल्का सा प्रेशर देना है. These are called as brain buttons. Okay. So जब हम ये करते हैं तो हमारा ब्रेन एक्टिवेट होता है. Okay. धीरे से करना है. Don't if you're not able to do it, that's okay. Don't force, no pressure, no what do you say, no force. If the child is not able to do, let him do at his own comfortable speed and whatever the child is comfortable. Yeah. और एक हाथ जो है वो आपको नेवल पे रखना है. ठीक है. And at the same time, the third thing, listen to me carefully. You have to move your eyes from left to right. Not the face, only eyes. Okay. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Yes. Good. Very good. Very nice, Taran. Very good. Very good, Manas. Okay. Chalo, अभी now is the fun part. Everybody knows their left and right hands. सब अपना right hand ऊपर करेंगे. Right hand. Right. Yes. Very nice. Okay. And put your left leg up. Left leg. Left leg को ऊपर करेंगे. Left leg. Okay. You will have to stand for this. ठीक है. तो लेफ्ट लेग को अप करके टच योर राइट हैंड टू योर लेफ्ट लेग. ट्राई टू टच, नो फोर्स, नो प्रेशर. ट्राई टू टच एज मच एज यू कैन. ज्यादा नहीं होता है तो इट्स ओके. यू कैन डू एज मच एज यू लाइक. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द एक्टिव पार्ट. अभी हम एक्टिव एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं. सो ट्राई टू टच. आप हाथ भी लगा सकते हैं. ठीक है. Not necessary that you have to touch your elbow. You can touch with your hand. With your right hand, touch your left knee. And now put your left hand up. Left hand, touch your right knee. Okay? Understood? अभी हम ऐसा 5 times करेंगे. ठीक है? 1. Is everybody able to understand? Parents, please help if they are not able to coordinate, because standing with one leg can be difficult. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. अभी हम foot को touch करेंगे. Foot. Okay. Not the knee. We'll touch the foot. Okay. These are called as midline crossing exercises, which are very important for coordination of the two hemispheres of the brain. Okay. So abhi hum cross lateral, but we'll touch the foot of the left leg with right hand. Similarly, with left hand, we'll touch the right foot. Is it visible, Harshali? Harshali, is it visible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
It's slightly go behind otherwise.
Yeah. Okay. So you can try touching, alternate the left and the right legs with the opposite hand. Okay. Yeah. So these you can do around 5 counts. Okay. And alternately, this is not mandatory. This is totally optional. You can also touch your left leg behind. 1. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is totally optional. If it's not possible for the child, don't put any pressure. It's totally okay. Yeah. So these were part of the cross crawl or the active part. So that forms the C part of it. Yeah. So now comes the
Do it, kids. I mean, we can't see. Many of are just watching. I can see Jay is trying to do. Just do it. What Prachi Didi is saying.
Joanne, Pranjali, Fahim. Actually, I would request all the parents to put on the cameras if it's possible, because it would be great to watch the kids if they're able to do it. See, pace is a simple exercise which is the foundation of the brain gym exercises, but at the same time, managing your body posture with one leg might be difficult. So let the child take it as
A
per
guest
their own
came,
pace.
so I was a little busy.
Okay.
Okay.
See, Utkarsh is doing.
Yeah, Nimit is also doing. That's good actually. Yes.
Suyash. Yeah, I
Yes.
can see. Yes, yes.
Yes. But midline crossing is really very
music.
important for all the brain-related activities, for writing, for for the bilateral hand coordination. All these exercises form the foundation. Yeah. So once this is done, we. Yes, very good. Very nice, Jay. Jay is doing really nice. Saransh, Manas, everyone is doing a great job. Chalo, we will move to the last part. Now in the last part, what you have to do is, this is a little difficult, but
What I have to do, Prachi?
you have to cross your legs. Okay? Cross your legs. Is it possible? Cross your legs. Your right leg should be should come on the top of your right leg should be up, left leg should be down. If it's possible, do it. Otherwise, you can stand in a normal posture also. That's absolutely fine. Yeah. So once you cross your leg, because initially it might be difficult, bring your hands in the front. Bring both your hands in the front. Yes. Okay. Now cross the hands. Cross the hands. Cross the hands like this. Jyoti, is it visible? Jyoti, Anakula, Kanchan. Parents, please help the children because this might be a difficult step. For children who are not able to do, what you can do is just stand like this and do like this. You can just hug yourself by standing like this. It's okay. You can just hug yourself like this. Yeah? Not a problem. That's it. And kids who can do, you have to put your hands in front, Cross your hands and do like this. Keep it. Taran. Hands in the front. Hands in the front. देखो उल्टा. ये देखो हाथ उल्टे हैं ऐसे. Yes. Cross the hands and bring them near your chest. That's okay, Taran. You can just hug yourself like this. It's fine. Not a problem. Yes, that's good. You can just hug yourself. Just be steady, be steady, be steady. Deep breathing. Try to do a little bit of deep breathing. You don't have to cover your mouth. Just hug yourself. Yes, that's good, Arya. I'll count till 5 counts. You have to just be steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now try to change the leg. Try to change the leg. Now the left leg should come up and do the same thing. Try to hug yourself. And again, I'll do 5 counts. 1. Be steady. Rutvik. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's good. Now the last
Great,
step.
Nimit. I can see very good, beta. Sarah.
Yes, very nice. Now the last step. You know what? Let's wiggle our fingers and try to touch them. Yes. Let's do it like this. See, see, see. Can you do it? Can you do something like this? Yes. Very good, Rutvik. Very nice. Try to touch all your fingers to each other. Let's do some deep breathing. I'll count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we are done. We have done with pace. Pace is the basic exercise that is very much helpful in a bit of calming of the child actually. So mostly pace is done at the start of the activities so that the child is a bit calmer and he is a bit settled. So before we start anything, it's always important that the child should be little attentive and focused. So before these activities, we'll be doing pace whenever it's possible. Yeah. So everybody have their art supplies? Yes. Everybody is ready. I'll be sharing the. Oh, Rutvik, do we need the lady finger? It's okay, Rutvik. It's not necessary. Even if you don't have anything, you can do it. Yeah. So yes, lazy 8. Lazy 8. Then there is doodles. There is double doodles. We'll be doing it eventually in the sessions to come. Okay, so I will start my.
I'm ready with everything, Prachi. Lady finger, earbud.
Anything, earbuds, if you have, it's okay. You can actually, if you have a rubber band, I'm going to show you what to do. So you need not.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, so let's see.
Ma'am, what I need to do?
I'll. Yes. So. Okay, so today is day 1. Pace is something that we've already done, which is the first activity for today. The second thing is a little messy activity. And the third one is a riddles game. Okay, so we will start with the second one. Okay, now this is a very general picture. It's not important to be very precise. It's okay. Everyone can take their own time If the parents are available, you can ask the parents to draw it for you. Otherwise, all this is freehand drawing. There is nothing planned or anything. Okay. So yeah, for the yellow flowers or the red flowers, you might need ladyfinger. But what you can alternatively do is, see what I've done is I've done a, I don't know if it's visible. I've done a bunch of 5 earbuds. Okay. And I have tied them up using a rubber band. Okay. So अगर ladyfinger नहीं है, तो भी with this you should be able to do the flowers. And one more thing, जिनके पास ladyfinger है, okay, just cut off the tip. Okay, don't cut it fully because it is required to hold. तो सिर्फ टिप कट करना है, बाकी उसको वैसे ही रखना है. Okay, so that वो पकड़ने में easy रहता है. Okay, so you want to start? I'll also start with you.
What are we?
So you can draw the green, the stem or anything with any colors. It's up to you. Not necessary that you should have it green. You can have it brown. Colors choice, it's up to you. Yellow, blue, red, orange. Except black, I think you can choose any colors. And shading bhi jo hai, shading is also done with.
Ma'am, I want to do with my finger.
Yeah, you can draw even with your fingers. I would actually suggest if you have a palette, like this, na,
I want to.
ऐसा इसमें plate में लगा सकते हैं, which is a better idea. So you can move across, or if you have a palette, you can remove colors in the palette and then do it. This is also a good one. Yeah. So, okay, I will also start with you.
तेरे नाक को पसीना है मैम, ऐसे करना है, कुछ आपको करना है ऐसे.
पहले ब्रांचेस बनाएंगे, ग्रीन कलर या ब्राउन कलर, whatever you want बच्चा. उसको ये खोलो कलर्स एंड देन उसकी प्लांट की ब्रांचेस बनाओ. या
ब्रांचेस बनाओगे
प्लांट बेटा, उसके जो है पहले वो बना लो, फिर उसमें हम लोग फ्लावर्स और ये सब ऐड करेंगे. सो व्हाइट पेपर ले लिया सबने, कलर
सबके पास व्हाइट. या फिर आप क्या कर सकते हो पता है, अगर मैट स्टिक से बनाना है तो इवन मैट स्टिक से बना सकते हो. ओके, मैट स्टिक अगर होगी तो हाँ, तो आप क्या करो, अगर ब्रश भी नहीं है दैट्स ओके, मैट स्टिक से ड्रॉ करते हैं. आई विल ड्रॉ विद मैट स्टिक.
अरे कैमरा में शो करो. या आई कैन सी जॉन एंड ब्रैडन आर डूइंग. वाव, ग्रेट. एंड पेरेंट्स, सर्वज्ञ इज डूइंग. एंड कौन दिख रहा है मुझे, और कौन कौन कर रहा है? सारांश.
ब्रश है तो ब्रश से कर सकते हो, नहीं तो मैट स्टिक से कर सकते हो. इट्स अप टू यू. या फिर क्रेयॉन से भी कर सकते हो. इट्स टोटली ऑप्शनल.
डोनश, देव, हाय. खुशबू, yes, do it खुशबू. We are, yes, हम देख रहे हैं.
हम क्या करें, ओ सॉरी,
ईशान.
और हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि हम वो जो डॉट्स हैं हाथ से भी लगा सकते हैं. सो अभी मैं हाथ से लगाऊंगी. ओके, so you can use earbuds, you can use matchsticks, या फिर अगर पेन ब्रश है तो पेन ब्रश यूज कर सकते हैं. anything that you have, rather anything that you like, कुछ भी जो भी आपको पसंद है. ओके, इससे you can do it. let's have all our creativity at work, और जो हमें पसंद है वो करते हैं, ठीक है। और ईयरबड से हम लोग थोड़ा सा शेडिंग भी करेंगे, जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया है। we'll be doing little bit shading. Manas is I think already at the expertise level, so maybe for him it will be a very, but you can have birds, one bird for every color. Like you can have one for yellow, one for red, one for green or blue maybe, so that it becomes easier for you to tap and just dab the bird in little of water, so that वो थोड़ा सा sticky हो जाता है and then the color will stay on. Otherwise what happens, वो color absorb हो जाता है. Earbud में we don't want that. We want the color to stay on. So little bit of water, not much. Don't make it little bit sorry, don't make it soggy too much. Yeah. So किसी को कुछ help या किसी को कुछ और ये चाहिए, if you are not able, you can do it as per your own convenience. There is nothing wrong or right about drawing. It's all about what we like or rather we want to do. Come on, Ravi, Sai.
क्या हो गया है? दिखाओ दिखाओ कैमरास में।
हाँ, सब लोग दिखाएंगे कैसे कैसे। वाओ, जोएन, यू आर डूइंग अ गुड जॉब। वाओ,
क्या पुश। प्रतीक्षा, देख रहे हैं हम लोग।
यस।
ऋत्विक, या
और अभी
ग्रेट ग्रेट।
यू वांट द फ्लावर्स, तो हम फ्लावर्स इससे कर सकते हैं। यू कैन
जितना बन गया सबका
5 का या 3 का, आप कुछ एनीथिंग दैट यू लाइक। 3 का हम लोग या 5 का सेट करके यू कैन टाई इट अप and then put it in the color. ऐसे, and see how wonderful it looks. Okay? थोड़ा सा अगर आपको
हाइट में, ठीक है।
and this is very good for what do you say, all your fine motor, all your pencil grip skills. या फिर आप भेंडी से कर सकते हो। लेडी फिंगर इज वेरी गुड टू ड्रॉ फ्लावर्स।
I have done this one.
Hey, wow, how nice.
Picture.
Hello, Prachi, I got white.
Flower. I used fingertip and snake got, but with leaf I used matchstick.
अभी क्या करना है, थोड़ा सा ना, if you want, see how I'm showing it to you, थोड़ा सा उसको हम शेडिंग दे सकते हैं। ओके, ज्यादा डैब नहीं करना है, थोड़ा थोड़ा उसको ये करके यू कैन डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ शेडिंग। दिख रहा है? जैसे आप जो नीचे वाला जो पार्ट है, थोड़ा सा आप उसको अच्छे से, यू कैन शो इट एज
This much.
पेंसिल से बना
नहीं, this I'm doing with the bud only.
Ladyfinger toothpick.
See, we are using capsicum. And
Wow.
Hello, Prachi. Are you
Any vegetables actually.
yeah, these are
Brian,
capsicum. Or
Brian, if you have actual flowers also, na, you can use actual flowers also. You can use leaf. If you have leaf, तो leaf को paint में डुबा के उसको इस पे ऐसे चिपका सकते हैं, या फिर ऐसे leaf को आप matchstick से draw कर सकते हैं. जैसे अभी मैं, जैसे हम if anybody remembers, in the olden days we used to apply, who is that? We used to apply mehendi with this, with matchstick. So it's something like that. You can draw small leaves using the matchstick.
Sorry. Hello, Prachi.
Yeah.
I'm just starting now to paint. So what should I paint? Matchstick or that ladyfinger?
Actually, you can. Have you started drawing the branch?
No, I've not started yet. I'm starting now.
Okay, so आप एक काम करो ना. The picture that is shared, you can start with that. Are you able to see it?
No.
How is it? No. It's
No,
already
paint.
shared. I think
Painting.
you should be able to see the picture.
Yeah, I saw the picture. Yeah.
Yeah. और अभी हम क्या करेंगे? हम इसके बाजू में थोड़ा सा पेंट को, if you see, थोड़ा पेंट को हम हाथ से भी लगा सकते हैं ऐसे. Now this is totally optional, guys. This is totally up to the child. If the child is comfortable doing it with the fingers, okay, थोड़ा इसको, and then let it spread. थोड़ा सा तो वो येलोइश ग्रीन वाला जो इफेक्ट है, थोड़ा सा.
Huh?
Any problem, guys? You can tell me. Deva, Dev, are you able to do it?
How to start?
No, I'm not able to understand. No,
मॅम तुमची स्क्रीन दिसत नाहीये.
I'm not understanding what I have to do.
What is the first step?
First step, then I'll understand.
Prachi, stop share and just show it your drawing.
मैं बना रहा हूँ.
Prachi, show your drawing. Yeah, so that you'll understand these steps.
Then 1 second.
देख बच्चे करना है.
हे बघ.
I'll come in.
करू शकतो. हे घे.
Okay, what I will do is I'll pin my
हे कर कर.
video. Is it okay? Visible? दिख रहा है?
करना है.
Very good. Very good.
Yes.
हाँ, तो आप ये वाला जो
Steps नहीं
अगर लेडी फिंगर नहीं है तो आप हाथ से भी draw कर सकते हो.
अरे चुकून पडलं. It's okay. हे घे, ह्याचं आता येलो नाही कर. घे.
लेडी फिंगर नहीं है तो
ठीक है,
आप
इथून घे. हाँ.
लेडी फिंगर से लगाया हुआ है.
और maybe 1 second, guys. 1 second. I'll be just back. 1 second. ना.
कुठे? इथे? हो.
Huh?
Amna, do you need any help? You have raised your hand.
सर्वज्ञ, झालं का? दाखव. वाव सर्वज्ञ, ब्युटिफुल, खूप छान. नाईस. आता इथे काय करायचं? Wow, Anaya, nice, very nice, so good, beautiful. Yeah, Subir also showing, nice. सेशंस के लास्ट में सब लोग सारा चीज फोटोग्राफ्स डालेंगे. सुयश, आई कैन सी. वाओ, वेरी गुड. Sai, yeah. And who else is showing? Sai, I can see. Others cameras are off. You cannot see your drawings. Arya, yeah, John.
या फिर आप
Brandon
कर सकते
must.
हो, अगर आपके पास राजमा या छोले या ऐसा कुछ भी है तो आप उसको भी कलर, आप उसको भी कलर में डुबा सकते हो.
Swati,
छोले,
beautiful.
peanuts, anything that you have.
Pranjali, yeah, wow.
Brian, if you don't have any vegetables, if you have, wow, Pranjali, very nice,
cotton
very
dish.
good. Dave, are you able to do it or do you need help? मैंने अभी एक पीनट लिया है and I will start draw some.
I can make it.
Yes, या फिर आप बस फिंगर से तो कर ही सकते हैं. You can do.
Hold this, hold. Prachi ji, can you see?
Yes, Dave.
Roderick's family, very nice, beautiful.
Oh.
Wow,
Oh.
fun, Brandon, very nice, bacha. I can see Dave is still engrossed with doing it.
Dave, do you need any help?
And
Yeah, very beautiful.
No.
Karan, can you show me yours? What have you done? Show me.
wow, Soumitra, I can see your painting. Nice, very nice.
Vidur, can you hold it little bit behind? I think I'm not able to see it. Oh, yes.
Mom.
We are not ready with the items. That's why whatever items left we have done.
That's okay, actually.
Actually, I am not in this group, so I don't know what are the items required.
Okay.
So you can please add me into this group so that next time onwards I'll join.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, Roderick's family, very nice. Pratiksha, Sai, are you able to do it? Oh, wow. Good, Sai. So is everybody done? Please post the video, the pictures in the group. Actually, you can do this with your fingers also. It is much more sensorily, fulfilling. If you really like, I could have done it in the other way, in which you have to apply the paint. I mean, I'm just showing you one of the things that I had done earlier.
आई तेज करतोय, हाताने बोटानेच करतोय.
This is something, yes. This is very, very sensorily. What you can do is put your whole hand छापना है उसको, कलर इस लगाना है, and then guys, am I audible?
नहीं कर पाएगा, करना तो नीचे बैठ.
Prachi, can you show me from the first step? I have not understood yet.
Oh, Deva, what I can do is I can share the picture. You can try to do it yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will share the picture in the group. ठीक है? और this is alternative. अगर आपको ये करना है तो आप ये भी कर सकते हैं. आपके हाथ में पूरा पेंट लगा के you can print a hand print on the paper and then do all these things with your fingers. ठीक है? So ये भी एक activity है which is very good as a messy activity, but it is very good for your sensory stimulation or for your fingers, for your finger movement. It's really very nice. Okay, so you can try this also at home if you want to do something.
छब्बीस तारीख जमा दिया तो 26 एक्टिविटी बाद में कर लेना। देख फोटो भी भेजे ही है तो उसको देखिए, भिंडी के ग्रीन कलर लेना पड़ेगा भी।
Okay, so Harshali, should we move to the next activity because I think that is more interesting.
फर्स्ट स्टेप दिखा भी नहीं रहे ना, मेरे को बोल रही हो फोर्स करेगी सीधा।
सारे बच्चे छोटे बच्चे सीख गए, तू नहीं सीख पाया।
Dave, don't worry, I will post the pictures in the group so that you can then, or you can then do it by yourself. Okay, I'll post both the pictures. Another.
Ma'am, we have done.
Oh wow, very nice. Very cute.
Ma'am, activity done.
Okay, एक और चीज, okay, एक और वेरिएशन इसमें ये कर सकते हैं कि you can instead of the earbud painting, you can also apply small bindi or stickers if you have. So that is also a very good fine motor activity. इसमें आप stickers भी या फिर बिंदी के जो होते हैं जिनमें पीछे stickers होते हैं, you can remove the stickers, apply the bindi, or apply if you have kundans, you can apply kundan, or if you have वो पड़ी से छोटे छोटे अगर वो stars जो मिलते हैं वो आप stars भी लगा सकते हैं. You can do it as a fine motor activity for anything that you want. You can apply stickers, you can apply kundan, you can do it with grains जो होते हैं छोटे छोटे मसूर या मूंग दाल जो गोल होते हैं pinkish in color. You can apply Fevicol and you can use grains also with this. So these 2-3 variations you can do with this. Wow, Rutvik, very nice. Manas, very good.
Ma'am, can you see my drawing?
Who is that? Fahim.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yes, very nice.
Thank you.
Okay. So ये painting के साथ आप ये 2-3 variations आप try करें घर में. And if you need any help, you can always let me know. हम इसको grains के साथ भी बना सकते हैं, हम इसको stickers के साथ भी बना सकते हैं, anything. Earbuds के साथ बना सकते हैं, cotton swabs भी अगर है, तो cotton swabs भी आप use कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? हो गया सबका? Please post pictures in the group, guys. Okay? So now let's move to the last and the most interesting activity of today, which is the riddles time. Okay, so what we will be doing, see, I'm sure all of you are very excited to do this. One second, Harshali.
Yes.
See, now I think because there are around 50 plus participants, what do you suggest? How should we go about it? Should we go by a hand? Whosoever puts their hand up, or should we go by alphabetical names, or should we go by age, or how should we do it?
Yeah, they can raise their hands in video or in this. They can raise your hands and then answer. Yeah.
Yeah, that will be really appropriate. Yes. Yeah. So guys, now my screen is visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we have this Rambo with us, the Rambo, the rhino. Okay, and he is going to ask us some questions. Okay, that is riddles, in the form of riddles. So if you can decode the clue, and if you are able to find the answer, you have to raise your hand. And Boni Lakshmi, please lower your hand right now. You have to raise your hand only if you know the answer. Okay. Otherwise, if nobody answers, I will ask anybody whom I feel. Is it okay? Yes. And don't worry, it's going to be very simple. and very interesting. So, shall we start? Yes, Vidya, are you ready?
10.
Okay, come on. Now you have to be really attentive. Okay, I will read out the first clue. Yeah. So the first clue is I have 4 legs. This is an animal. This is the animal category. The first question is I have 4 legs. I am big and gray. I have a trunk. Who am I?
Who am I?
Parents try to help the child, but don't give any direct clues. Don't give any direct answers. Let the child think about it.
Hand raise. I can see practically.
Please, are you ready? Please,
Elephant.
Prachi said
Vidur, you have to raise your hand, beta, but yeah, that's okay. So what's the answer, Vidur?
elephant.
Okay, elephant. Okay, for the next question, I would suggest, whosoever turns their hands on first will given a chance, even if, see, because I know most of you want to answer and are really excited, but it will be injustice if everyone doesn't get a chance, right? So I would suggest कि जो पहले हाथ raise करेगा उसको answer करने का मौका मिलेगा. Yeah. Vidur, can you please lower down your hand? Yes. The next clue is I have 4 legs. I look like a horse. I have black and white stripes. Come on, who is going to answer? Yes, come on, S. Who is that?
Yes, S.
S, come on, tell me.
Yes, you can unmute.
Please unmute yourself and answer.
Zebra.
Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Yay, great.
Very nice, very nice. S, please rename yourself with the child's name so that we can know his name. Okay, now the next one. I have 4 legs. I like to eat leaves. I have a very long neck. Deva, I hope you have raised your hand now. Oh, okay, Rutvik, do you want to answer?
Zebra.
No, this is the third question, beta. This is the third one. I have 4 legs. I like to eat leaves. And I have a very long neck. This should be very direct. Come on, Sai, you want to answer this?
Giraffe, man.
Sorry?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Yes, that's right. Very good.
Yes.
Okay, now let's go to the next question. Rutvik, please lower your hand. Rutvik and Swastik. Yeah, everybody please lower their hands. Okay, now the next question. I live in the jungle. I am yellow and brown. I have a long tail and I can eat you. Oh my God. You have to be really careful with this animal. Who is that? Come on. Who lives in the jungle is yellow and brown. Okay, Dev, you want to answer that?
Yes. Hippopotamus.
No. Who is yellow and brown? And he can eat a human. Who is that? Somebody who lives in the jungle.
Swastik, you can try.
You want to answer that?
Tiger.
Yes, that's right. Okay, now the next question. I am big and brown. I can be called as a teddy. This should be the biggest clue, I think. I have a big body.
Body.
So what is it? Come on, this should be easy. Yes, Arya, you want to answer that? Arya?
Bear.
Bear. Yes, teddy bear. That's right.
And
Okay, guys. So now let's move to the next category. Okay. Now in the next category, we are with a sheep. Her name is Sean. Okay. So now this category is for farm animals. And you have to guess which farm animal the clue is. Okay. Now the first clue. I have 4 legs. I help to herd sheep. And I say woof. Swastik, should we wait for somebody else to answer? Come on, guys. This should be very easy. चलो जल्दी सब लोग आंसर करेंगे. ऋत्विक.
Shelf.
Let us wait. Fahim, Manas. Anybody wants to answer? Jay, Taran. Come on. This shouldn't be difficult. Somebody who says woof. He's the man's best friend, the best pet in the world. Come on, Pranjali. Yeah, come on. Anybody?
Slide changed. आधीच slide ला.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Is it visible?
नाही याच्या आधीच slide. हा.
Is it visible now?
Yes.
Okay. So, Joanne, you want to answer that?
Dog. Sheep. Dog.
Okay.
Dog.
Yes.
Dog.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Swastik, please lower your hand, beta. Okay. Now the next one is very, very simple. I have 4 legs. I eat grass. And I am woolly. So who is the woolly animal? Oh my God, shouldn't be difficult, yaar.
Ma'am, sheep.
Yes, that's very good, Manas. Okay, the next one is the easiest, I think. Okay, somebody says, I say moo. I have 4 legs. I eat grass and I give milk. Simple.
Ma'am, cow.
Yes, that's right. Yes, cow.
Cow.
Very good. Now let's go to a difficult one. I have 4 legs. I live in a sty. Somebody who lives in a sty and likes mud. Likes to play in the mud. Yes.
Pig.
Karan, you want to answer that?
Mom, it's pig. It's pig.
Pig.
That's correct. Very nice. Okay, now is the next one. The simplest one. I have 2 legs. I have feathers, and I lay eggs. Who is the one who gives eggs?
Hen.
Not chicken.
Ma'am, hen.
Okay.
Hen.
Okay, now the next one. I have feathers. I love to swim, and I say quack.
Quack.
Who's that? Who is that? Come on, Karan, tell me. Who's that? Yes, that's correct. It's duck.
Okay.
Yeah, it's duck.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so now some creepy crawlies. Let's go. So now we have a caterpillar. Her name is Casey. Okay. Harshali, is the slide changed?
Feather and slide.
Yes. I'm a Casey, the
Okay.
caterpillar.
So now we have some creepy crawlies. Swati, can you lower your hand? Oh, just wait, guys. Those who can read, please give chance to others. Okay. Let's not spoil the fun. Those who can read, yes.
I eat flies.
Okay, a Crawley which has no legs, but he slithers and slides like this and says, "Hiss." Who is that? Come on, the Chota Bacha Company. I want you to answer that. Bacha Company, who is that? Fahim, Taran.
Ma'am,
Who is that?
raise your hands. I muted everyone now because everybody is shouting. So I muted. Now raise your hands and answer.
Raise your hand. Those who want to answer, come on, Ishan, Omkar. Whosoever wants to answer, please raise your hands. Khushbu. Whosoever wants to raise their hands, come on. Abhiraj, you want to answer that? Yes, come on. Yeah, unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who is that?
I have no legs. I slither and slide. I say,
Who is that?
snake.
Yes, that's right. Snake. Okay. So the next one. I have 8 legs. I eat flies and I live in a web. So who lives in a web?
Ma'am, spider.
Oh, yes. That's correct, spider. I think, Harshali, we have to constantly keep on muting, otherwise.
I know.
Okay. So the next one is the most easiest one. So who is that? The busy one, and who has a yellow and brown stripes, and the one who makes honey. Somebody who makes honey. Who is that? Come on, Manas, please. Let's give opportunity to others. Come on, come on. Fahim, you want to answer that? Somebody who, yeah, come on, unmute yourself. Come on. Somebody who makes honey. Who is that? Yellow and brown in color.
B. Again. B.
Honeybee.
Honeybee, that's right. Very good. Okay, now somebody who has 6 legs. He can fly and is with red and black spots. Yes, somebody who knows. It's a girly name. Come on. You know who is that? Somebody with red and black spots.
Ladybug.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, now the next one is, okay, I have lots of legs. I like to eat leaves. And I turn into a butterfly. So who turns into a butterfly? Come on.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Yeah, that's good.
Caterpillar.
That's correct. Okay, Harshali, for the next round, I think you mute everyone. And now I'm going to ask people who I choose. Okay. So guys, now we come to the fruits category. Okay, and this time I'm going to ask. I'm not going to give chance. So the first one, what am I? I grow on trees. I'm red or green and I'm crunchy. Come on, who is that? Taran, you want to answer this? Taran? Taran, you want to answer this? No. Yes, who said that? Yes, that's correct. I'm not able to see it. But anyways, yeah, so something which is a crunchy fruit is apple. Okay, now let's move to the next one. You have to peel me. My skin is yellow and I'm soft and light yellow. Who is that?
Mango.
Oh,
Banana.
Mandarina.
who is that?
Mango.
No. Who said that? Who said banana? Come on.
Deva.
Deva. Yes, that's right. It's banana. Okay, now let's.
Banana.
Yeah, that's right. So now the next one is I'm green outside and red inside. I have lots of seeds. I'm usually eaten in the summer to keep you cool.
Watermelon.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Yes, that's right.
It's watermelon, Prachi.
Okay, now the next one is little tricky. I grow on trees. You have to peel me to eat. And I am often turned into juice. And my name is also same as my color. What is that?
Orange juice.
Orange.
Orange. That's right. Now the last one, little tricky. I have seeds on the outside. And I am eaten in summer. I am small and red in color. What is that?
Manzana.
Mansa.
Blueberries.
No, blueberries are blue and red. No.
Red berries.
Manzana.
Come on, please. There are no red berries. Come on.
Apple.
Hey, who is that? Please stop.
Papaya.
Apple.
No. Just try to think. Try to think. Something who has seeds on the outside.
Hello, Prachi. Papaya.
Papaya has seeds inside, yeah. Come on. The seeds have to be outside, not inside.
Strawberry.
And somebody.
Strawberry, ma'am.
Strawberry, Prachi.
That's right. Strawberry. Strawberry you can eat only in summer, and the seeds are outside.
Watermelon.
Answer that. That's the correct answer. Please stop drawing these arrows on the. Sorry guys, I think there is some problem. Wait.
Hi, Devasis.
Now comes the last and the most interesting riddle. Okay, this time I'm going to ask Vidur, this is for you. What am I? I am round and I have many different toppings. I usually have tomato and cheese. What am I? Vidur, come on, tell me. What is it that is round and have different toppings? Okay, please don't discuss the answers. Let him answer. I want the children who haven't answered. I know this is very interesting, but yeah. Rishi, you want to answer that? Rishi? You know what the answer? Come on. Khushbu, Omkar. Kavi.
Is it olives?
No,
It's olives.
it is something that is round in shape.
Ah, I know. It's chips. Pizza.
No, it is in different toppings. Something that has different toppings.
Pizza.
I said it, ma'am.
Yes,
Pizza.
that's right. Pizza. That's correct. Yeah. Okay, now I am sweet and I come in different flavors. Okay, and I am served at birthday party. Simplest.
Cake.
Bola.
Yes, cake.
Cake. Sorry.
Okay, now the next one is I'm found in the freezer and I am very good on a sunny day and I come in different flavors. What is that? I think the fourth clue is not required at all.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
That's right. Okay, now I think everyone should be able to answer is I'm served in a bun. That's it. No more clues. What is served in a bun? Come on. What is it?
Burger.
That's right. Burger. Okay. Oh, so sorry. And now,
Hello, Prachi, burger.
yes, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a cold drink and I come in different flavors. And I'm made with milk and ice cream. What is it?
Cold coffee.
Milkshake.
Yes, that's right. Milkshake. Milkshake you can make in different flavors and milk and ice cream. Okay. Hello guys, stop. I'm stopping the share. But now for some children, if you want to continue, I'm going to ask audio clues. Are you ready? Someone is ready. I'm not going to give any clues. I'm just going to read them. Auditory.
I'm ready.
Are you ready? Okay, now listen to me. I am in the kitchen and I am used in the morning to make toast. What is it?
Bread.
I'm used to make a toast. What is it?
Toast bread.
Toaster. It's
Toaster.
bread.
Yes, that's right.
Toaster.
Okay. Okay. Now I am in the kitchen and I keep food cool.
Fridge.
Fridge.
Refrigerator.
That's right. Fridge.
Fridge.
Okay, now I'm in the living room and you can sit on me comfortably.
Sofa.
Sofa.
Very good guys, you're good going.
Sit in sofa.
Yes. I am in the bathroom and you use me in the morning.
Come on, shower. A shower.
No.
Toothbrush.
Come on, ma'am.
Toothbrush. Somebody said toothbrush, I think.
Bathroom, ma'am.
Toothbrush. Yes, that's right. Okay, now I'm usually in the bathroom and I'm used to wash things and I have a tap.
Wash basin. Wash basin.
Yes, wash basin. That's right. Okay. Yes, something that everyone likes in the home and it uses electricity and people like to watch me.
TV.
A TV.
TV. Okay, now just last few. I use electricity. I'm used for cleaning and I make a lot of noise. Who is that?
Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner.
Yes, vacuum cleaner. That's right. Okay, now okay, the last one. I'm found in the kitchen and I'm used to heat things up. What is that?
Oven.
Yeah.
Oven.
Microwave.
Oven.
That's correct. Oven. That's right, guys. Okay. Do you want to continue this? Yes, if you want to continue or otherwise we are done for the day.
I continue.
We want to continue, ma'am. We wanted to
You want to
continue.
continue?
It was so fun.
Okay, okay, the last one. Okay, now it is something that is, 1 second guys, I'll just, 1 second. Okay, now listen very carefully. Okay, I am used for eating and I am a piece in cutlery. Okay, but I have prongs. I mean, I have like this. What do you say? Cut.
Ma'am, fork.
Fork. That's right. Who is answering? Is it Abhiraj?
Ma'am, Taran's sister.
Oh my God, Taran's sister. Let him answer, beta, please. Yeah, but it's good if you are able to
He
answer.
went somewhere, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Let us. Yeah.
Another
Okay.
one.
Okay, again something which is a part of cutlery, but which is sharp and used to cut food.
Knife.
A knife.
Yes.
Knife.
Okay, now I'm used to hold liquids, and I'm used. I have a handle, and you hold me to drink it. Who am I?
Water bottle.
No, I have a handle.
Mug.
Yes, mug or a cup. That's right. Okay, I use electricity and people use me to boil water. That's it.
Um,
And I'm used in the kitchen.
Electric stove, ma'am.
Electric kettle.
What is it?
It is electric stove, ma'am.
Electric kettle.
Ha, that's a kettle. That's the electric kettle that is used to boil water. Okay. Yes, that's right. That's right.
Taranti, ma'am.
Okay, now. Okay, one second, guys.
I think we have one picture with all your drawings before finishing this.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say, because I think
Yes.
on and on with this, but instead of I think it's already 6:45, so we have already
Yes, we have crossed. So let's show everyone, turn on your cameras and we'll click the picture. Turn, come on. In front of the picture.
Come on, everyone, please put on your cameras. Rutvik, Abhiraj, Ravi, Nancy, come on, show your pictures and let's take a photo.
Yes.
Very nice. Yes, Swastik, very good. Omkar, very nice. Fahim, Khushbu, Joanne, Vidur, very beautiful, guys. Very good, Taran. Sai, Rutvik, very nice. Kanchan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. It was. I hope you like all the activities.
Thank you, ma'am.
And we will continue it in the next session.
Ma'am, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for today. And I hope we will continue these sessions next time so that we can have loads and loads of fun more next time. So we'll be starting similarly with a physical activity, and then we'll continue with some more auditory and visual and lots of games and some craft. So this week the theme is fine motor skills. So we'll be concentrating more on fine motor. The next week the theme is going to be gross motor. So this week is going to be with the hands, and the next week it's going to be more the overall activities, and I will let you know. So I'll post by tomorrow what are the things that are required for Thursday so that you can have it ready next time. Yeah. Okay, guys, then see you on Thursday evening, 5:30. Be ready. Yeah, you ready?
Bye bye.
You'll be there.
Bye.
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 See you on Thursday.
Bye, Joanne.
Bye.
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 Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Harshali.
Thank you.
Welcome.